I wake up slow, sunlight on my skin. Breathing deep, let the healing begin. Mirror on the wall, I see more than just a face. I see a fighter, I see grace. I don't need perfection, I just need peace. And every word I say brings me release.